Hello friends, welcome to Under Technical YouTube channel. I am happy to inform you that the GATE 2022 notification has been added from IIT Kharagpur site. There are many things to remember before applying for a GATE exam, and all things you need to know will be included in this video. Important dates, exam pattern and marking schemes, things to remember at the time of application process, what to do after GATE qualification, how to prepare for a better rank in GATE 2022. Here are the important dates to remember. The online application will start on 13th August and the regular closing date of online application is 24th September. End of extended period of application with fine or late fee is 1st October. 12th October will be the last date for changing the category, paper and examination city if you are entered anything wrong in the application time with an extra additional fee. And the admit card will be available for download after 3rd January 2022. After that, you have only 1 month remaining for your exam. 5th, 6th February and also 12th, 13th February will be the dates of exam. And the examination will be conducted in 2 sessions, forenoon and afternoon. And the result will be published on 17th March 2022. These are the dates you need to remember. Next, we will discuss about the exam pattern and marking schemes. Exam will be conducted as a computer-based test. A total of 29 papers are there. Now coming to the exam, it consists of 2 sections, general aptitude and subject type questions. And the question consists of multiple answer type questions, numerical answer type questions, and also there are multiple self type questions, which is included in GATE since last year. You know that GATE is not a simple exam, which will test your subject knowledge with recall, comprehension, application, analysis, and synthesis type questions. There are 10 general aptitude questions and 55 subject questions. All the papers except AR, CY, EY, GG, MA, PH, HX, XL consist of 50 mark general aptitude, 30 mark for engineering mathematics, 72 mark for subject papers. And the papers AR, CY, EY, GG, MA, PH, XX, XL consist of 50 mark for general aptitude, 85 mark for subject papers. Each questions carry 1 or 2 mark. If the question is carrying 1 mark, you will get a 1 mark for every right answer and there will be a deduction of 1/3 mark for every wrong answer. Similarly, for 2 mark question, you will get a 2 mark for every right answer and there will be a deduction of 2/3 mark for every wrong answer. There will not be any deduction of mark in multiple select question and numerical answer type question. In multiple select question, if you are marked all the right option, you will get the mark. If you are missed out one right option or partially marked the option, then you will not get the mark for that question. And there will be an on-screen virtual calculator available in exam for your calculation. Coming to the application process, first you need to enter the personal details and education qualification. Then upload the photographs, signature and other required documents such as SCST, PWD certificates as applicable. When you are uploading photographs and signature, you need to check the following criteria. A passport size photo having 3.5 cm width and 4.5 cm height. 60 to 70% candidate's face should be visible. A recent photograph in color with white background. File size within 20 KB to 200 KB. And there are some acceptable type and unacceptable type photo samples are given on the screen. A signature with height and width ratio 1:3.25 to 3.75. That means the width can be varied in between 3.25 to 3.75. Area should be covered 70 to 80% with your signature. Sign with a black, dark blue color pen only and the size in between 5 KB to 200 KB. And some sample signature which are acceptable and not acceptable are mentioned on screen. Both photograph and signature should be uploaded in JPEG or JPG format only. Fee payment can be done through different platforms like net banking, debit, credit card, wallet, UPay, etc. Application fee is 750 for female candidates and SC/ST PWD categories and 1500 for all other categories up to 24th September. That means the regular period of time. After that, you can make payment up to 1st October with the 500 rupees late fee in the extended period of time. A candidate can appear for any one up to 2 papers of the GATE examination. However, note that the combination of 2 papers a candidate can appear must be selected from the predefined list as given in the table 4.3. And the candidate need to fill only one application form, but you need to pay twice if you are appearing for 2 papers. After GATE qualification, what are the options for the candidates? First one, scholarship or assistantship for the postgraduate programs. Second one, use of GATE score for employment. You can study any PG programs in government supported institutes with a scholarship or financial support for your course. And also, there are several public sector undertakings have used GATE score to shortlist candidates for employment. A few such organizations are BEL, IOCL, ONGC, GAIL, NTPC, PGCI, HAL, and PCAL, etc. So we can say that GATE exam is the one of the gateway to your dream career too. The last one I want to tell you how to get a good rank in GATE 2022. From the day of online application, you have only 5 months remaining in your hand. So how you are going to make it happen? Within these 5 months, you need to study all the concepts, solve maximum number of previous year questions, and also you need to attempt a maximum number of mock test series. So this is like a limited hour cricket match. All these things you have to do within a small time span. So we are ready to help you for your GATE preparation. Entry up consisting of best GATE courses for major engineering branches like mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics and communication, etc. If you are ready to prepare for GATE 2022, this is the right time to start your preparation with your best educators. Just download the Entry app from the link given below and watch the sample videos available in your respective department. If you are satisfied with those classes from our expert educators, you can subscribe the course. Remember one thing, the time is limited. If you are postponing your studies, you are missing the opportunity to crack the exam and your dream career. Thank you.